Today's lecture is about the United Kingdom and its geography. For future reference, you can find this clip on the ALO and on YouTube. Lying off the northwest coast of Europe, left of the Netherlands, are two large islands and several much smaller ones. Collectively, so altogether, the islands are called the British Isles. The largest island is called Great Britain. Many people confuse Great Britain with the United Kingdom, but this is not a big problem. The difference is that Great Britain does not include Northern Ireland. The United Kingdom consists of the countries England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. They all have their own governments and can decide on important issues, but huge decisions are almost always decided by the UK government, which resides in London. Each separate country has delegates in that UK government. The country is officially called the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Each country that is part of the UK has its own flag. The Red Cross of England is called St George's Cross. The White X of Scotland is called St Andrew's Cross, and the Red X of Northern Ireland is called St Patrick's Cross. The flag of Wales has its own Welsh name, which only Welshmen can pronounce, which translates into the Red Dragon. The UK also has a national flag. If you look closely, you will find that it is made up out of the countries that make up the UK, except for the flag of Wales. This is because by the time the flag originated, Wales was part of England and was considered a principality or provincie. The flag of the United Kingdom is called the Union Jack. Each of the countries that make up the UK has their own flower, animal, colour and patron saint. The national flower of England is the rose. It played an extremely big role in the War of the Roses, which we will talk about later. Maybe the best way we recognise Northern Ireland is because of its national flower, the shamrock, which looks like our klavertje vier. The main capital of the whole of the UK is London, but all the countries that make up the UK also have their own capitals: Edinburgh, Belfast, London and Cardiff. The UK has about 63 million inhabitants. Of the four parts, England is by far the largest. Over 53 million people live there. Scotland follows with around 5 million people, while Wales has a density of 3 million. You will find the smallest amount of people in Northern Ireland. About 1.8 million people founded their homes in that part of the island. Next to the big island called Great Britain lies the smaller island called Ireland. This smaller island consists of two countries, Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. As said before, Northern Ireland is part of the UK and has the same laws and Queen as England, Scotland and Wales. The Republic of Ireland separated and formed their own government. To this day, do not refer to the Northern Irish people as Irish. They will be very offended. Even though you are on the same island, you have to exchange money when you cross the border. Northern Ireland uses the pound, the currency used throughout the whole of the UK, where the Republic of Ireland uses the euro. Even though we all talk about the language being spoken in the UK as being English, and the language you learn at school is also called English, there are also several other sorts of languages being spoken on the island. Very important is the use of British when talking about the language in the United Kingdom. So instead of just speaking English in England, you will read that the official language is British English. Besides speaking British English, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland all have their own official languages too. Because the Welsh language, so the language spoken in Wales, is so different from British English, many road signs are bilingual, meaning the text is written in both Welsh and in English. There are many well-known cities in the UK, but maybe the two most famous cities are Cambridge and Oxford, which are known for its universities. They are the oldest universities in the United Kingdom. Every year, the two universities battle out which is the best by organizing a boat race. The university that wins is considered the best university of England for that year.